Hello guys, good evening. This is just a quick lab, really simple. I was struggling, believe me, I really did struggle, and just want to demonstrate something. Actually, I installed the Palo Alto to the DNS free. I have here two routers. One, sorry, I have to change this. This one is a server. It is a DNS server. Okay. Alright. Okay, this is the main DNS server. This is my router. This is my virtual machine on this side here. Okay. And this is Palo Alto. So Palo Alto run on console type by default is a telnet. So I have it here. So what I did, I configured my DNS server to recognize the names of those devices. For example, DNS. For example, here, if I do ping, I can put the IP address of the router 1. For example, is 192.168.10.10. and will ping. Okay, so if I do ping IOUR1, that's the name that I gave, and as you can see it translates to this IP address on my router 1. So I do the same, for example, ping 192.70.10, my virtual machine 15. Let's see, and it's working as well. So now I do ping Windows 8. You can see the Windows 8 will be translated to this IP address. Same happened to the router 1. So let's test that, and it's working fine. Okay, so did the same here to recognize the gateway of this router is here on the IP domain name, and I put the IP address of this router. If I do the same, for example, if I'm not wrong, I did DNS and translate into the IP address of my DNS. So now let's try to ping the Palo Alto. So do 192.70.10.5 and also pinging. Okay, so let's go to my virtual machine, or you can do here same Palo Alto. You do run. So the Palo Alto infrastructure is on a free BDS, the same infrastructure as Juniper. Alright, it's basically the Juniper side. So if you know Juniper, you'll be able to work with Palo Alto as well. So you do run ping host and DNS 192.70.10.20, and you can see you ping or you do DNS, you can see it will be translated to DNS IP address. Okay, so now we jump to the virtual machine. Did not manage to do the translation on my virtual machine, but it's fine. Okay, so we do, this is the IP address to the Palo Alto 5. As what I did is they are all running the same subnet, 5, 10, 15 and 20. So let's ping 5 and it's able to connect. Alright, so what we can do now, let's try to open the view through the virtual machine, the Palo Alto. HTTPS. Let's see if we're gonna be able, or I will be able. 5. Let's see if it's gonna be able to run. Okay, so by default the username is admin and the password is also admin. Okay, so we just log in and let's see if we are successful. Okay, device configured default, please change Okay, potential administrative section, please wait. Let's see. Wow, it's take a little bit long. I do hope it works because it's first time trying this with Palo. And seems like, okay, don't show this again. Expire on the 16th. Expired. Okay, close. Okay, seems like we are successful inside of the Palo Alto. As you can see, the management IP address, the netmask, gateway. Of course, I did not configure any IPv6, the module. Serial, of course, it's nothing because it's not licensed. And yeah, I never worked with Palo Alto, but definitely I'm willing to learn. And I believe there's a lot here for me to go through, and I will go one by one, time to time, monitoring. And as you can see, there's a lot of options here: alarm, threat monitor, network monitor. There is a lot to learn from here. Policies. Okay, so definitely I will start Palo Alto to get to know more about these firewalls, security, NAT. There is a lot. And thank you guys for your time. I appreciate